There's also multiple ways that we can go about building audiences. First one being templates. So templates are a great way to standardize the way that your marketing or business users get to campaign activation. Any templates that you've saved within your application will appear here. We can pick this abandoned cart high value template. You'll notice that it opens a copy and gives it a title automatically. You'll see that we have 62,000 customers that fit the criteria of this template. And then all of the filters and settings that I've saved previously in my template will appear here. Global audiences that we can include or exclude, a standardized set of customer or demographic data that can include location, age, purchase information, really anything that lives within your BigQuery or data warehouse. I can add, change, and edit any of these filters to my liking, but I have a standardized way as a baseline to start creating an audience.